As a nurse working in hospital executive leadership, I was making more money than I'd ever made, and I quit. I was constantly away from home, missing my daughter's events and missing important family get-togethers, and honestly, I felt like I was just missing out on my life, and it was just to satisfy some governmental agencies and make CEOs and insurance companies rich. I had heard stories about nurses doing well as legal nurses, but to be real with you, I wasn't sure I actually believed it. I wanted it to be true, and I hoped it was. After quitting my job, I went all in on legal nursing to make it work. My family deserves a father and a husband who is more than just a provider, but one who's actually present. And despite my doubts, legal nurse consulting started to work for me, and I started to replace my income that I had lost by quitting my job. By the end of my first year working as a legal nurse consultant, I had not only replaced my hospital income, but I had already exceeded it. What's even better than that is I never missed a game or an important family activity the entire time. In fact, I had more free time than I'd ever had. Other nurses started asking me, "How are you doing this?" So I began helping my fellow nurses to get the same results and the same success that I was seeing in my own legal nurse consulting business. And that is how Catalyst Coaching and Mentoring was created, to help nurses reclaim their time with a new way to work as a nurse. Click below and you can find out if legal nurse consulting is right for you. You'll get instant access to the Legal Nurse Consulting free introductory training. Inside there, you'll discover what exactly is legal nurse consulting. What would I be doing if I was a legal nurse? How much money can I make as a legal nurse? Do I need certification? And whether it's completely remote and work from home. And plenty more. So click now. You've got nothing to lose and possibly a new career to gain.